Dear students, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV YouTube channel. Today we will discuss another literary term, an important literary term, allusion. We will discuss and study it. First of all, we will study its definition and then I will elaborate it with an easy example. What is allusion? Allusion is an implicit, mean unclear, and indirect reference to another work of literature, historical or mythical person or event. When we give reference an indirect reference or unclear reference of a literary work or a mythical person or an event in a literature, in a literary work, it is illusion. For example, in Dr. Faustus says this was this, he says that was this the face, he questions, just you say that this was the question he asks from the reader, that was this the face that launched thousands ships and burnt the topless towers of Ilium? And after saying some more words, after spoken some more words, he says that Helen, make me eternal with your kiss. Here is a historical person, Helen of Troy or Helen of Greek, wife of Menelaus, who goes away with Paris, a Troy king, and there is a great war between Troy and Greeks. Greeks fight for regaining their Helen. In this battle, there were many casualties. There were a huge destruction. So this is indirect reference in Dr. Faustus play by Christopher Marlowe. This is implicit, indirect reference to a event, a person. Event is the war between Troy and Greeks, and the reference to a person is Helen. So this type of reference is known as illusion. I hope you have understood it well. If you have any confusion, please comment in comment box. Thanks for